Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family. Are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright now peeps, so welcome back to the channel. Today we out here with something different. We are going to cook some crab today. You get me I say? Different style. Alright, so we out here in the backyard. Me and Kelani and Giovanni. And we are going to do a cook up this evening on some crab. So we are going to curry crab. That's it. We have some king crab. We are going to curry them with dumpling and banana. Alright, so stay tuned for some action. Yeah. Alright now people, so me I go catch a fire right now. So me have my napkin with some coconut oil on it. You don't know. So get that light up here now. Put it down in the middle of the fire. And just pack some coal over it, yeah? The fire go and catch in the meantime. Alright, so while the fire go and catch, I go and wash the crab them, alright? Yeah man. Alright now peeps, so fire catch. I go and wash the crab them, you know. You don't know washing brush we use and wash the crab them. Get off the excess dirt and thing off of them, alright? So I don't have a big pot. I have a small pot, so probably have to put them crab in the pot one at a time. The way I do them still, it can work that way they can. I just have to make them just go in the hot water for like 5 minutes and take it out back. I don't want the meat well soft and thing, you know. Yeah. So them crab I get from one of my brethren. And I fisherman bridging them. Yesterday I get them, so I go and do a cook up on them, you know. Yeah. So you brush off any excess dirt off of them and thing. And then the belly, the toes them, and the claw. I want to know somebody clean. People nice and clean, yeah? Ready to burn our pot. When I two of them pop off, but me have them still. So these are what you want to get off of it, like them greeny down the dirtish look. You want to get them off of it, alright? People them crab have some whole for sharp bone on the shell, so if you don't know what you do, you cut up yourself. So you have to be careful when you brush them, ensure your hand don't slip and catch the back of the crab or the toe of them, because they have a lot of sharp bone. Let me show you. Look at these. Yeah man, them they will cut you. These will cut your finger, so you have to be careful what you do when you brush them off, you know, because you don't want them to catch you. Alright now people, so the difference between the male and the female, you can use two things to mark them. Alright, underneath the belly also, the one with the broader piece under the belly where you can move, this one, this is a female one, right? The one with the slimmer or the smaller piece is the male one. I'm going to show you that later after now. This, the claw, the females, they don't have the big claw. They have the small claw. So you know so that's a female. So two things, the claw and right here. So you use to mark the female. And this is a male one. So you see right here, so it's different. Yeah, this is different. And as well, the male one has bigger claws, you know. Yeah, so this is a male king crab, and the one I showed you first is a female king crab. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright now people, so the fire ready, you know. Yeah man, the fire ready. So I'm gonna drop the pot on it because it's a small pot I have, me have the big pot. So I'm gonna put them in the one. So while the pot upon the fire and one I go and deal with, I go and clean up the rest of them, you know. Yeah, so that's how I deal with it. Alright, so I'm gonna spice up the pot here now. I'm gonna put in the pot to boil the crab them. Pepper. Can't do without pepper in the pot them. You don't know. So put that in half. Drop it in the pot. I'm gonna put some onion in it as well. This is just to boil them. I put a small piece of thyme in it. Thyme. Scallion, of course, you don't know. This I got bad people, man, I tell no lie, I got nice. Yeah, so scallion go in there as well. Don't know. Eat a crush, you know, because I want all the flavors out in the pot. Pimento seed. This is going to get a wicked flavor. No, tell me, no lie. Drop a couple pimento seed in it. I'm not near no pimento tree now. Could have dropped some pimento leaf in it as well. Drop some Maggi in it. You don't know. This I got packed with flavor. Not normal. That is good. So we season up the crab pot, you know, people. Alright? Yeah. Alright now people, so the drop is a French thyme in our pot, you know, see it there? Yeah, all who know what is French thyme. The flavors they're mad in it right now, so the water kind of hot, you know, not boiling as yet, but still can take one of the crab them. So I'm going to drop in one of the crab them right now, alright? Yeah man, so stay tuned. That one I look like it can hold in there, just like that. One next little one can hold in there too. One next little one. Let's see what I go on. Lock up in two of them. Nice. I may have some single claw and toes. There you go. Pack them in. Pack them in the same way. Put in that one the job. Right. See what I'm doing. Drop in them the two because I don't clean up one of them. Yeah. Alright, so I'm not put no more in there. So I'm gonna make them there. Stay up on the fire for like 5 minutes or a little longer than that. Because I don't really want them boil till they're soft, you know. Yeah, so 5 minutes and then should be good to go. Alright? Yeah man. Alright now people, so me have me share, my kitchen share, scissors, so they call him, I don't know what they call you know, something like this. So what me I go try do now, I try use this and cut the shell and see if I can get the meat out of the shell, alright? Put that, get my scissors, and try to cut this. Shell them tough, you know, but scissors are bad. Two different cut. Alright, see meat you know. Come here so get the meat in that. I don't want to really deal with no whole heap of shell this evening. So I'm just try to get out the meat, eh? Let me show you what I go on now. So me get out some of the meat already. So that is what I will be doing for the rest of everything, alright? Yeah man. So stay tuned guys. Alright now people, so in a patty I go, you know. Biggest one this is a male one. So try fit him in a pot. Well big, you know. Hardly can hold good. They go on like you know we don't like that. Alright, so that's it. Alright, so I try that way you know people. I see which way easier. Where seems more easier to me. So let's see what I go on. Most of them cooking I want to see me do on the channel. I never really do most of them before. We just have ideas and just put them together. So if you want to see me do something where there's an easier way, just let me know. So next time we can do it the easy way, you know. Yeah. Alright, so see me take out the meat, yeah. Nice piece of flesh. Put the shell one side and get the meat out. Yeah. Alright now people, so time kinda go up and way. At 6 o'clock to 6 o'clock you know, and to the rate how me I go pick out the meat out of the shell, it go take a while. So feel like me I go change the style. Me just I go beat up the shell like how I would normally do it. So it easy feel like open up and just cook everything. You understand me I say? Cook it in the shell and everything. So I go try it that way there so I can finish faster, because I don't want the bad light catch me. I have a proper lighting if you do the vlogging at the night. You understand? So I go hurry up and deal with that part. Hey peeps, so the youth them a do a video, you know. Them a video where they want video, so I just go and do what I do. So I take out that one right now. It's a big one, the king crab, the male one. Yeah. Like that. Alright now people, so just the one here have on the two on the claw them. This is the male one. So I go crush up them there. But see what me are going with you now so far. So this is a better way, an easier way. Yeah man, so curry them as we say in a coconut milk. Alright. Yeah man, so I crush up them and then take off the back and then deal with the belly part. Alright, so stay tuned. What you deal with? What that? What do you do?
Thumbs up. Like, share and give this video a big thumbs up.
Alright.
Comment down below and subscribe to this video. Okay guys?
Alright now people, so we reach the part here. So I'll take off the back. Use the knife because it have a lot of spike on it. I really want to bore me on, you know. Because they're hot. Alright, so clean it out. Take off these are the gill. You see? So anytime you open one crab and you see them here are the gill. Not the crab. Allow them to breathe underwater. So you get rid of them there. Take out a piece here. Get rid of the eyes and the mouth and all of that. And then this good for eat. See there? See the people. Yeah. Alright, so one more. So this is a female. Take off that. Get the back. Take off the back. Alright, so people, inside of this one we have some eggs. See there? Crab egg. So that nice to go in it as well. Egg.
You're trying to?
So we are get all the eggs, people. There's a lot of egg in this one. So I'm just gonna take my time and get them out. Okay. More of that again. So one more there. Okay, so that done. See what going over here, so. So clean out everything like we did the first one. Get off all these loose and get the gill. Take them off on both sides. Yeah, and then it just bust it down the middle. I use my scissors down the middle. This not really have a lot of meat inside it. Small portion of meat in that one there. Still I go put it in there just to get the liquid way in there. Still can add up, alright. So see there. Alright guys, so as you can see, place kinda I get dull. Yeah. So I move on to the next part of the cooking right now. I get the coconut milk right here now for put on the fire. And then I go season it up and make it go down a little bit and add the crab to it, alright? Yeah man, then me I go get the flour, knead up and peel my banana them. Yeah man, so stay tuned guys. Alright now peeps, so you see the night I come down, I burn little curry, and I get the coconut milk in the pot right now. See what I go on there? Yeah, that look good. I'm going to season it up here now. So the night come down. So what I add to this, some scallion and thyme, pepper, some of the pimento seed, onion. So I'm going to add some Maggi seasoning to it right now. Yeah. Alright now people, so I get one little light, I go on here so see how in the pot look there. I'm going to add some noodle to it right now, some pumpkin noodle. One pack of that I add to it. Yeah. So I go on there. Alright. Get everything mixed up here now, see the steam come up. Yeah, that smells good. Smell good people. So make that go and boil a little bit and then I go add the crab them to it, alright? Yeah. Alright now people, so see the flour knead up and thing. Yeah man, I hold up a copyright music that play and thing, so you don't know me to have to mute out most of that part there. Next door neighbor turn up him sound loud to them, I don't know what go on. Alright, so the flour knead, I will get the flour them in the pot. I go check on the other pot outside right now. I think that's supposed to finish. Alright, yeah man, after me put in the flour then, peel the banana them, alright? Yeah man, so stay tuned guys. So I see what I go on the pot here now. Yes, you can see steam. And still not ready yet, but it go on good. It go on good on, you know. Yeah. Love how it look. Look good. Still want to go down some more. You know, from this time. Yeah peeps, so what I do right is I throw some oil in the water so the banana not stain up my hand, you know? Yeah. Alright now people, so I take it off now. Yeah man, take it off man. You see what I go on here? So I wait for the dumpling them and things to done. Let me share out, alright? Alright now peeps, so see me share out my one and thing. The night come down and kinda throw off the thing away, but this is what it turns out to be. So hope I can make something out of this video and thing, alright? Alright guys, so what happened, I lost some of the clips for this video, but I decided on posting it anyways because some people have been asking for it. Hope you enjoyed this bit of this video, and catch you on the next one. Alright, the next one is going to be epic, and as well as the footage in the night time wasn't 100%, so I apologize for that as well, but stay tuned for the next epic adventure or epic cook up
from Yard Style Fishing. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.